Alright, we're back, and we've got some shiny parts here that I'm trying to make not so shiny. So let's see what we can do. Rough them up a little bit with this Scotch-Brite, and I'm gonna throw them in this container and shake them around with some rusty bolts. I've heard that probably do the trick, so we'll see. We will see. First, I kind of want to see what this Scotch-Brite does to him, so flip that guy back a little bit. Yeah, I remember that from doing another one. It just kind of scratches it, which is not the best, but I don't know. I don't know what I want here, really. Let's see. Well, no time like the present. Let's see what we got. Yeah, now it's just scratched and shiny. What about the backside? Maybe the backside. Maybe it's not as chromed out, so it won't look so new. I'm not trying to relic it necessarily. It's just I don't want brand new parts on a paint job that's not going to be nice and neat, you know? That side might work. Might just flip it and use the underside of the control plate. Use the bad side. I do want it duller though. It's not quite there yet. I think I am going to scuff these knobs. I may regret this, but no turning back now. That doesn't look too bad. Look at that. It's really good. Really good camera. Scotch-Brite's not really it. So let's do this. Here goes nothing. Ooh, what a mess. Oh yeah, look at that. Kind of pitted the crap out of it. That's cool. Let's do some more. Why not? See much going on with that. But this one though, you can probably see that. Nice. Okay with that. I am all right with that. Yeah, this one got pretty dinged too. There's the other one. I know you're in there somewhere. Oh, nice rust spots on there. Yeah. All right, cool. Take it. Take it for what it's worth. I guess that'll be it then. That's not working. That'll do the trick. Those, I guess, are enough. Maybe I'll go the opposite way with it. Do the opposite as well. Like I said, not really trying to relic it, just make it look not new. Yep, that'll work. Right on, dudes, there you go.